This video is for you if you can identify one of the following problem statements. You may work in R&D as a scientist and engineer, and you've been tasked with identifying process settings for a brand new process so that it can be shipped to production ASAP. Or you've been given an existing process that might have been created too quickly and now need to figure out more reliable settings to ensure a higher yield. Now, I'm here to tell you that you could, by the end of this day, have an experimental plan in your hands telling you the time and resources needed to answer those questions. Step 1 would be to go to jump.com/statslikejazz and get a 30-day free trial of Jump. An optional step 2 is if you are unfamiliar with the terms responses and factors, here's our 5-minute article where my colleague Phil K drops helicopters and explain these terms really well. Step 3 would be to go and do the Jump DOE intro kit, which takes 55 minutes. The Design of Experiment Introduction Kit is a free interactive platform that through several examples helps you understand the basic concepts of DOE. Through simulators, you get to conduct experiments to predict desired outcomes. You are now an hour in on your design of experiment journey and should be well equipped to make your first experimental design. If you are unsure or have questions, don't hesitate to make a post on the ever-growing Jump community. The Jump community is an invaluable resource for me when I get stuck. Now, optional step 4. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button if you found it useful, and best of luck with your first experiment.